to the studio. Hi, this is Chef Ria here at Precious Cooking, 2797 S Maryland Pkwy Suite 21, Las Vegas, Nevada. Thank you for joining me again. Today, I would like to share you more recipe that can be prepared quick, easy, and convenient, and most of all, healthier, because if it's not made with Salad Master, it's not made with love. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to share you guys a recipe of mine, which is Korean chicken, garlic Korean chicken. And of course, we're gonna do a dessert, which is Ube Puto. Okay, let's start with our chicken. I already preheat our oil there. Then I'm gonna show you my secret recipe for the sauce. Okay, so we have some chicken thighs. I wanna need to cut it into small pieces, and we'll just dump it to the flour. There. You can also do chicken wings if you prefer the chicken wings. Okay, there. So what I did is I debone a chicken thighs. You can save the bone also if you want to, but this is easier and faster. Okay. There's more there. Let's put everything here. One more to go. Okay, that's it. Let's put this aside so we can do our chicken. Let me wash my hand. Okay. Just put it like this. Coat it with flour. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. Let's start with our sauce while we're waiting for our deep fryer. Actually, it's not really deep fryer because this is our MP5. You can use it for your rice cooker, our Salad Master MP5. So I have here garlic, fresh garlic. I'm gonna mix our garlic there. Have some sugar, sesame seed, and then our green onions. Of course, don't forget our red pepper. Then we're going to put some soy sauce. That's our secret sauce for our garlic chicken. Let me cut this. So that's maybe about a cup of your soy sauce. Let's put that aside. Right there. Let's try if our... try it if our oil is ready now. Okay, let me try this. So it's not quite ready yet. I'm gonna put this aside. Let me just prepare our puto for our dessert. I'm using the Salad Master cup. Putting 2 eggs. And I'm using a coconut milk. Forget your vanilla. Maybe a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And let's open our coconut milk. And just let it stir. Smells good already. Of course, don't forget our Ube flavor. So how are we doing our guests? We have a lot of guests here today. We have Ate Nida, Ate Dolly, Ate Clara, Mother... I forgot Mother's name. Si Ate Nelia, Ate Chi. Let me put our sugar. Let's put our sugar here. Okay, there you go. There's our Ube Puto. Smells good already. So we're gonna use our cups. We're just laying it here. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put some oil here. Oh, sorry. So that it's easy to come out when if it's cooked. Just grease your muffin pan like here. Right there. It's almost done. Okay. First, I'm gonna transfer some over here so it's easy for me to actually okay, almost done there, more to go. So our steamer is ready because we can hear the click, click, click. So that means it's calling us. Okay. There we go. That's our puto. Let's put it in our steamer. Which is our 7-quart wok. There we go. There, very nice color, purple. Okay, so we're gonna steam this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's go. Cover that and let's go back to our chicken. I think our chicken is ready. Right here. Oh. So here. Three more to go. Somebody's falling. Yeah. So if you have your MP5, which is multi-purpose, you can use it as a deep fryer. Easy and convenient for you guys here. Here. Okay, so we're gonna cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until brown. So this is our, then we're gonna dip it to our sauce, and you guys see the recipe for the sauce. Sesame oil, sugar, soy sauce, fresh garlic, and red pepper. So we're gonna come back and then we'll show you guys the finished product. Ito na ang Ube Puto natin, mga kababayan. There. Easy lang. Very easy. You can put cheese if you want to. Oh, there. Oh, that was only not even 10 minutes. It's cooked already. There, guys. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Yesterday we did the puto flan. See here, guys, easy, very easy. So I'm using my 7-quart wok. You have this, ate, the wok. Then just buy this. Get all the, there you go, there's your puto. Easy, very easy. Look, let's put it there. There's our puto. Our Ube Puto here, guys. Very, very nice. Okay, guys, our chicken is ready. Now we're gonna put it to the sauce so it's nice and brown. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm going to dip it to our sauce. There. Here we take everything out. So make sure you take it out right away. Don't. Okay. There's our chicken. Wait until you taste it. It's gonna be delicious. There. Then you can just put more green onion. So this is our garlic Korean chicken. So guys, this is again Chef Ria here at Precious Cooking. We will see you again next week. Kain na! Thank you for joining me again. Bye-bye!